These images and videos show the effects of a devastating hailstorm in Mexico. Streets and buildings are covered in ice, a terrifying testament to the destructive power of nature. The fourth volcanic eruption in the last 3 months occurred yesterday in Iceland on the wreaking Peninsula near Grindavik. The new fissure eruption has created a lava river. The red-hot streams are flowing west and south toward the ocean. Protective structures have so far prevented the lava from breaking through to the town of Grindavik. However, residents and tourists at the Blue Lagoon Resort have been evacuated. Tornado in Winchester, Indiana, USA.
On the ground, Winchester, Indiana, 8:02 p.m. Confirmed tornado right there.
Is that the tornado?
That's the tornado.
Oh my, holy shit.
Oh my god. It's okay. It's okay.
The multiple casualty event, collapsed buildings with people trapped in Russell's Point after a tornado. Damage is also being reported in Indian Lake.
Whatever this highway is meets close to 33 down by Indian Lake where the real weird stop sign hits. It's not good. Like there's mobile home park was destroyed. There's literally trees, pontoons, you name it. I've seen all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's straight out of like that stuff out of Twister. The one lady's house, I go to kick the door down in to check on her because they were worried that an older lady was there. I go in the house, man, luckily she wasn't there, but her whole house is demolished. Wedding pictures, graduation stuff, all this stuff's down. Like, this is outside my girlfriend's place. You really can't see a lot, but it's not good. Literally, the tornado grabbed my fiance's car, threw it up against the deck. Trees.
Bad weather, storm in Adodomolu, a town in Tanimbar Islands, Indonesia. fell in Vive, Indiana, USA this afternoon.
Golf ball hail. Oh my God. I mean, it's very bad.